A mountain of meth and other drugs, including cocaine, MDMA, and fentanyl, protected by an arsenal of weapons. Everything from handguns to assault rifles, some loaded and ready to use. Investigators rolling out the haul from a bust that the RCMP calls the biggest superlab in Canadian history.
It has also served to deny this transnational organized crime group an estimated $485 million in profits.
The raid's taking place Friday, October 25th at a rural property in Falkland. The rundown exterior hiding a sophisticated operation that was capable of pumping out huge quantities of meth and fentanyl. Investigators also seizing thousands of kilograms of precursor chemicals, specifically chemicals used in a process tied to Mexican cartels. The drugs believed to be mostly for export, but according to the RCMP, the destination was not the U.S.
They were destined for abroad, and I can't elaborate quite yet because it's an ongoing investigation.
All of these guns and drugs were seized at locations in Surrey and Falkland, BC. According to the RCMP, this bust tied to another one at the beginning of October in Enderby, where 30,000 kilograms of precursor chemicals were seized.
The Enderby bust and the Falkland bust this past weekend, part of a much larger transnational criminal organization operating in BC. The superlab set up to run for weeks without resupplying the input chemicals. But despite the sophistication and size of the operation, only one man has been arrested, Gaganpreet Singh Randhawa, facing 6 counts related to weapons and drugs. The RCMP promising more arrests.
Mexican cartels don't have their headquarters located in Canada, but they have proxies that operate in Canada, elsewhere. And those are the people that we're focused on and aim to bring to justice.
Investigators are still on scene in Falkland. Now that the superlab has been dismantled, the cost to clean up this rural property could top $1 million. Aaron McArthur, Global News.